cross etiquette, right, which I can bring over.
You can lend that to us.
Yep. He does a lot of volume. He does. I think of who else, you know, and then the DDS is in there, right? And clear choice.
Easy to use. Can I set this here?
Yeah, fine.
So, Athena, single handpiece maintenance system at a time. What you'll do is you'll pop the handpiece on. So, Courtney, this should fit because they're from the same manufacturer. If we have other handpieces, we may need to grab a coupler from an operatory or get an additional coupler as backup. Your oil and cleaning liquid. Basically, you've already done it. I checked the cleaning liquid. Sure, you have liquid in there because this cleans, oils, and lubes and makes your handpieces last longer. Your meters.
Okay.
So this is just initial setup. What you'll also do is these are drying pads. Drying pads goes inside. This is where all your debris goes. After this is pretty soaked and full, throw it away. You can always get more of these, but they give you complimentary.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So I am finishing up some notes, getting ready to end my day. I have one more patient, which you guys will see. But this is my last day as a dental assistant because YouTube pays me so well that I get to quit my job. So I am no longer a dental assistant. I wish. I'm actually covering maternity leave up front for 2 months, 8 weeks. So I think up front is kind of boring, but I'll get a little bit of a break from dental assisting, I guess. Hopefully you guys didn't fall for my little clickbait, but yes, you guys saw me training my replacement. So she's replacing me and I'm replacing the person that was up front. She had her baby on September 9th, so I am taking over for her. It's kind of boring up there. I just have to answer the phones and send out claims and all of that jazz. I will take you guys up front with me once I get my little routine going, I will show you guys how I do things up front. So be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to keep on watching. Do not click off. Hopefully you guys didn't just skip up here to see if I clickbaited you or not. But yeah, I'm still an assistant. I'm gonna finish up what I'm doing, and I will see you guys in the next clip. I'm gonna put this retractor in. You're literally gonna go around here. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable as it goes in. Next, I'm gonna put some cotton in. Keep everything dry. For the first 48 hours, you want to avoid anything that would bleach a white shirt. So like coffee, black teas, red sauces.